Compromise? We don't do compromise. We're only satisfied with flooring that sparks your wildest imagination. If it's packed full of sustainable thinking, with products that push boundaries, if they stand up to heels and wheels year on year. We never settle for good enough. No, either or, only more. More choice, more craft, more contrast, more texture, more color, more play, more ideas, more inspiration, more leading the way, more ambition, more audacity, more innovation, more care, more nature, more nurture, more reduction, more recycling, more restoration, more smiles, more shocks, more fits of joy, more laughs, more peace, more quiet, more enriching people's lives and breaking new ground with flooring that makes spirits rise and jaws drop. Every day we look to do all kinds of good with purpose and without compromise. It's why we're made for more.